instance. The other problem we're solving is that obviously data scientists are required to build machine learning models, and data engineers, but to actually deploy machine learning models, you need a DevOps team. And both of those teams speak completely different languages, and finding the unicorn machine learning engineer that knows both is incredibly rare. And one of the challenges we see within large enterprises is the kind of separation between the two teams, which can cause a huge kind of feedback loop problem between those two teams. So it can take many, many months to get any kind of validation on a model that's put into production. So to sort of deep dive a bit about the challenges that are required around machine learning deployment. First, this is where most of the industry is in this early stage of actually building machine learning models. So they're figuring out which use case they're going to go after, find some data, and go about building a model. But then there's a huge challenge, as I explained, around model deployment or operationalization, where effectively the outcome you're aiming for is an impact on a business KPI, which you can measure and then feed back to the data science team and sort of rinse and repeat. But there's a third cycle, which is all around basically model management, governance, the kind of activation of machine learning, which can include things like tying it in with other business processes. So you see things like explainability, visualizing compliance, and all these cycles need to run in parallel. And sort of tying these three things together, this comes from a Gartner paper, which effectively saying you need to understand your KPIs, put in place a robust ops infrastructure, and then ensure you don't slip up on the compliance piece.